Hi guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the July BoxyCharm. I got mine pretty early this month, so I'm super excited to be able to show you what I got in this month's box. And it's not a bad box for $21. I ended up paying like $22 to $23 with taxes. So let's get right into the box so I can show you what I got. This month's box is called All Natural. So the first thing I'm seeing here is from LMS. It is the Super Vital Vegetable Mask. This is a $35 value, and it is a facial mask. Smooths and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. So that's what that does. That looks like a very interesting product. I think we've gotten something from this brand before in a BoxyCharm, so I'm not sure if we have or not, but I think we have. All right, the next thing I have here is from Luxie. This is the 3-piece brush set. Create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation, blend your eyeshadow, and apply color to the crease. So it looks like there's going to be 3 brushes in here, and there's 3 little Luxie brushes, and they have a different kind of handle. It's more of a wood handle. It looks like more woodsy, almost more organic like. So here's the 3 brushes here. You get the foundation brush, the crease brush, and then the like fluffier brush. These are nice brushes. I don't particularly like these kind of brushes for foundation, but I mean, I'm sure somebody that I know will. So you get 3 brushes in there. Those brushes are a $30 value. So that's $60 already, $65 that this box is already added up to. The next thing I see here is Kujinju. I don't know if I'm saying that right. So it's spa cleansing water cloth. These are cotton, and their spa water cloth removes waterproof makeup and impurities while nourishing skin with mineral-rich cleansing spa water. These are a $17 value. I wonder if these are $17 for this or the full size, or is this a full size? Who knows? There seems to be 10 cloths in there, so this may be a full size product, which is really nice, but wow, $17. These are probably, hopefully, really, really good. You have to let me know if you tried them yet. I haven't tried them yet, so hopefully they take off all the makeup and all the stuff that needs to be coming off your skin while using these products. Like I said, those are a $17 value. That's insane. All right, so next we have from Ofra a liquid lipstick. Here it is. It's a very pink liquid lipstick. And it looks like it is a long-lasting liquid lipstick, and it looks like it may be a shimmer, like a shimmer liquid lipstick. What do they call those? Metallic liquid lipstick. This is very, very pink. Definitely does not go with the look that I have going on today. This is why I don't have it on. But I don't even know if this is a color that I would use. These are a $20 value. Ofra lipsticks are very, very good. I'm not a big fan of metallic lipsticks. I just don't think that they look that great on me. So I don't know if I'll be using this, or most likely passing it on to somebody that might want to use this color and can get along with it better than I do. All right, and the last thing I have in here is from Butter London. This is a $32 value. This is a eyeshadow palette, which is what I have on my eyes today. And I'll go ahead and put up a little side note here so you can see how they worked. But you end up getting 6 different eyeshadows. You only get 2 mattes. So you get the 2 mattes here, which is the brown and the blue, and the rest of these are shimmer. So it's, for me, it's not like a complete eyeshadow palette because you don't have like a starting color. So I ended up having to use a couple of these colors, these shimmer colors for my crease, and then I ended up building up with the brown there and then using some more of the shimmer colors. So I mean, it doesn't look bad, but for me, because my eyes are aging eyes, shimmer is not my favorite to put in the crease and to blend out other colors with. Where I think that the eyeshadow look came out nicely, I would have liked to have seen maybe a lighter matte color here and, maybe 2 shimmers. It's just not a cohesive palette for me. It's a very pretty looking palette. It has like a faux wood box that it comes in with, some really pretty flowers. So it's a pretty palette, but for me, it's not a standalone palette. It needs something else to kind of help it along. So that was everything that came in my BoxyCharm for the month of January. Let me go ahead and add this up for you real quick. My BoxyCharm added up into $134 this month. I got box number 5, the variation number 5. So that's what BoxyCharm sent me for the month of January. Like I said, I don't mind the box. I'm not disappointed with the box. I think that I have plenty of eyeshadows that will go with the Butter London eyeshadow palette, so I'm not worried about that at all. I'm really excited about these little wipes because they're super expensive. Hopefully they work miracles. And then the LMS Super Food Mask. I'm pretty excited about that. I want to see how that works out, and what it does, if it does any wonders for my face. So alright guys, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below. As always, the link to order BoxyCharm is also down below, affiliate link, so you give me Boxy points if you order with that link. Otherwise, just head on over to BoxyCharm's original website and order from them. Alright, you guys have a great afternoon. Bye bye.